Okay, sure. RadioDR.co.za.
Hey,
Hi, it's about that time. It's party time from the Cultured Swine on Radio
radio.co.za.
Hi. Hi.
Away, welcome to the first episode of The Cultured Swine on radio.co.za. I am Spume Mahlobo, but you shall further know me as Party Time. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this new journey. Shout out Slew, shout out CeeLo. Um, so basically, the purpose of me starting this podcast, like, damn, I just feel like sis balaleli abadala, it's time for the kids, it's time for the youth. Also, this is like a safe space for venting, voicing opinions, and debating. Oh shit, and drinking, obviously. Like, it's party time. Today's guest host is a Durban based fashion stylist who's worked on BET's Made in Africa reality show. Yes, he runs a fashion based event called Live Events Durban and co owns the company Flowerwear amongst other projects. Sitting right next to me is Jay Crumhow, but you can call him Jay Styles. Jay Styles, how you is, brother?
How I is? I'm good, man. I hope everybody's good. You good?
I am good. I'm just very nervous. It's the first episode.
Yeah, I know. But thank you for inviting me onto the show on your first episode, because the first episode got to be special.
I'm popping my podcast V card.
Oh, well.
Oh my gosh. But before we start, can we just pop some shampoo palopes? Shout out Z
Yeah.
Store for making that up. So can you pop some shampoops, some popes? Let me just grab it. Mm, mm. Thank you, thank you.
Yeah.
Shout out Yama, sponsor Sami.
Grab back.
Hey, it's big. One way,
Bam.
one way.
Holla back. About to pop
Apologies
some,
to my parents who are probably gonna like hear me like popping liquor.
It's okay, mom and dad. Something's gotta go. Something's gotta
Also,
go a
like
certain
monkey see,
way.
monkey do.
You know. Oh. Ooh. Damn it. That was dope. That was
Away,
dope.
away, away.
It's for the believe it right now.
This is our drink of the day. This is a special segment that we do. We basically drink on the show. So the drink of the
Yo.
day today is Ikrembeki.
Yo.
Yabona lama blank de blanks. Blank de blanks.
Oh my God, blank friends.
I'm gonna give it to you, Jay. Maybe you can say the name.
Yeah, nah, you ain't getting it. Yeah, no, you were right. Actually, I laughed at you just now, but it literally says blank the blanks.
Cheers, brother. Cheers.
Cheers.
So Jay,
Yeah.
what's happening? Let's talk about live events, bro.
Okay. First of all, like live events is a fashion-based event whereby we get local designers to come together in a creative space, and then we basically organize a runway show for them. We organize the models for them. Some designers come with their own models, so it's up to them whatever they like, and we showcase their garments. And then with that, we add like artists as well, like local and upcoming artists, to basically embrace them and get them in a space whereby they can be seen by potential people that are obviously doing better than them or came before. So basically, it's a space for creatives, all creatives alike, but more importantly, the base of everything is the fashion, and after that, everything else happens. The artists, people bring their illustrations, paintings, whatever. So it's a creative space, but more than anything else, it's a fashion show.
And then how do you go about like finding people who are gonna participate, who are gonna bring their garments there,
Yeah.
and the artists? What's the process?
Okay, so the process is basically what we do is we obviously go on social media, because social media is the number one thing where you can find information, and we search people out. We make a list of those people, and then whether we trying to DM you. Obviously, you've got your work on your social media, because as every designer, you've got some kind of work on your social media. So we make a list of that, and from those people, we try our best to contact them, obviously via DM or via message or however it is, and then obviously we get you guys on board. And then going from there, we actually have rehearsals. So it's really nice for people to have rehearsals so that even a designer going into something, they can know that, okay, cool, it's going to go this way and this is going to work this way. And we're sure of it because we've done it with all the same people. So, yeah, basically that's our process. With the artists, we ask them to email their tracks. We get a listen. We obviously formulate a list, and then we obviously guys we give you guys feedback on
Oh
that.
wait,
Yeah.
so I heard through the grapevine that it's coming back because you
Yeah.
stopped for a bit and then
Yeah. No, we stop for a bit, but like that's what happens when you have like something that's growing, but it's not that big. When it grows bigger, then you end up in a financial situation. So
mm,
we kind of went our ways to just try and get finance and just come back together and knowing because you obviously can't depend on sponsors all the time.
yeah.
People can disappoint you. So we branched out, worked on a couple of things, earned some money, and we're trying to bring it back in like a bigger way. So that's what we're trying to do. So 24th of August. Look out for another live event. We're
Oh
back, baby.
wait. Are there any I don't know, upcoming names that you can drop that have been involved in this before?
Um, like we've worked with much of them haven't been like obviously to like a higher level, but they've been working. We've seen progress. Liam Leezy, Joe Kim, Nova, who there's a Zama Ayanda, which is
Mm-hmm.
really dope. Lindo C, he actually went to after.
Yes, shout out
Yeah,
Lindo C. I
so
fucking love that
you know,
boy.
so yeah, man, and we had we had a co-host with our other host. The main host is Xolo Sogna. We had Millie Dooley, of which now she was on Idols and now she's on East Coast Radio.
Oh wait.
So yeah, man, we've seen growth in people's lives. We wouldn't originally say that they've at the top right now because it hasn't been that long,
Mm.
but we've seen growth in each individual that's been there,
Ah, that's awesome.
yeah.
And then can you Lou Miss Ngisi.
Hey,
Explain Flyway for me.
yeah.
Ngiyakubonile some Bluetooth ntontoni.
Yeah, man. Do you know that's like the question of every black person is like, hey, guy, what if Bluetooth? What I
Ntontoni.
cause it's was in there, cause so basically what we did is we combined technology with fashion because I've always had a passion for fashion, and my brother is more on the technological side, like
All right.
IT and all that.
Kambe ubaye kama la putwa ko lesho.
Chris Crumhurst. Hey, shout
Hey.
out, my homie. So yeah, and then we thought, okay, cool. If we're gonna start something, why don't we infuse the things that we best at, and we came up with caps and beanies that have a Bluetooth device in it, so it allows you to sync with your phone. You can listen to your music, and you can
Oh,
also like answer your phone calls through it. So it's pretty
and
cool.
still look good.
Yeah, and still look good,
Aight.
So we were the first company to bring on a project like that in South Africa. I didn't call it in my face. Like my nose is like very blocked. I'm sure you guys can hear it.
It's the
It's
sickly
sinus.
season.
Sickly season. Yeah. So we infused that, and we were the first company, proudly the first company to bring such technology into the country. And yeah, man, it's from then it's just grown. Into different ventures. I think that was our first venture together, and we've kind of grown into different spaces.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then lastly, you're busy working on a vlog.
Yeah.
Ngiyabona
Yeah.
uyaposta la
Yeah.
kancane. Can you just elaborate on what you're doing, lap?
Okay. Basically, what I want to do is, I want to start vlogging. So vlogging is like blogging, né? So cause I'm a stylist initially. But I want to be an all-round influence on fashion and culture as well. So I'm not just wanting to change fashion. I want to change culture. So my vlog is basically about we're gonna have different adventures. I'm basically gonna take the people that have supported me from day one on an adventure with me, in doing different things. I mean, some days I'll sit down with someone that's very influential. We'll have a conversation that people get to watch some advice and what to go through and the do's and don'ts of the fashion industry and how hard it is, and how to motivate people to keep on being obviously where they want to be, and knowing that they're gonna obviously get to a point where they're really huge. And on other days, we're gonna go through the town, paint the town red. I've been speaking to a few restaurants where I'm gonna be like a tastemaker. I'll go through, obviously advertise the place, and we advertise their meals and what they have. And on different days, I'm just gonna be going around asking people like what different questions about how they feel when they're dressed in certain ways. Attack issues that are more than just fashion, but because people don't realize that fashion's way more than just fashion. It goes into personality and how people can be, and society, and how people can judge you and talk about different things. It widens the conversation a lot. So it's not just about what you're wearing. You so yeah, I'm just trying to obviously keep my interaction with the people that I'm with and the people that have supported me. So that's just another way of doing that.
All right, all
Yeah.
right. So just so now we're coming up to this game, ne? I don't know if you used to watch it in news. Dala, when they used to have fashion
Maybe I'm
police.
not that old. Don't expose me here.
First of
Wait
all,
a
I'm younger
minute.
than you.
Oh,
Just
first of
calm
hey,
down.
hey, I said I'm younger than you for a reason, okay? Don't embarrass me.
So there's this game called Fashion Police.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
obviously, on the 6th of July, big we DJ,
Hey,
dip
yeah,
in
yeah, yeah, yeah,
July.
yeah, yeah.
Hey, I no
Hey,
stop nonsense.
I know small is small. What the? You
So
know?
just so people can get a quick picture,
Yeah.
Ujay njengoba fashion forward. Hey, Mina, not so much.
Yeah, but
I
it's
literally just dressed so I'm not naked.
yeah, I know, but it's both. It's very nice to get like both perspectives of like one thing, because sometimes we can agree, but sometimes we cannot, because it's different when you're behind the fashion spectrum, and it's
Ah.
different when you're just like, okay, cool, this is something to wear.
Very, very true. So I've got a couple of pictures here
Yeah,
of best
yeah,
and worst
yeah,
dressed outfits from the VDJ. Ngizozwa ngawo when what's your opinion from a
yeah.
fashion perspective, and
Okay.
then now Zongniezi too, but to
Yeah.
just
Okay.
say my
Okay.
few words.
Yeah.
All right. So the first picture
Yeah.
that we have is a Casper vest.
Yeah. Um. Yeah. You know what the thing is? It's really dope. I like that he kept it very simple and very clean
Mm,
because of obviously his facial hair and his haircut. It goes very nicely with something that's very simple, because as you've seen, that style is actually taken from Nigerian people. Nigerian people have a style of looking very simple and
mm,
looking very rich. So I
yeah.
think he kind of went for that. Um, Even though people have been complaining that no one went with the theme. I mean,
Ah.
South Africans don't go with any theme, okay? So we're just judging off obviously how they created obviously their outfits and how they look.
Yeah.
I really think it looks nice.
I think he played it safe, hey?
Yeah, I think
I
I think he
think,
did. I mean,
yeah,
like,
he played it
but
safe.
the thing is also you can see his attitude within the outfit, because like
Yes.
he's playing it as I'm telling you that I'm a rich nigga type of steez. So yeah,
Yeah, no, okay. And then umuntu kaSomizi uMohale.
I don't know how to. I'm not laughing at him. I'm just laughing at what I'm thinking about. I don't know how to feel about that outfit. I think it would have been dope if it had like one item, either the pants or the top, like the blazer and something
Uh,
else. Like, it's just very distracting because he has like a top that's very see through underneath.
yeah.
So I'm not understanding. It's like when you look at it, it's a lot. You just have to look at it
Can
a couple
I
of times.
actually tell you, like, I'm low key? Maybe it's because I actually like them. Like, I love the both of them so much. I think I'm in love with this outfit.
Oh yeah.
I like this outfit. I think it suits him. Like,
Yeah,
I
I know,
think
I
it suits
know.
him.
I mean, like, okay, I
He
think,
he pulled it off. I think on someone else definitely
yeah,
it wouldn't have looked like this, but
yeah,
on him
okay,
I like it.
okay. I think he's taking it from the personality, because I don't know his strong sense of like
Yeah.
personality. I was just thinking it from a fashion spectrum that was
Uh
like, but like, yeah, I
it
think,
looks very snake skinny.
yeah,
Uh
that's, yeah.
and then my man crush,
Oh,
Sanele
yeah. I
Mkhize.
think,
Shout out. Oh
wow.
my gosh.
Yeah, no, as I look at this picture, it's really, 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 it's something else, eh? Like he's really stuck to the theme, but like it looks so dope. Like shout out to Sanel Mkize, bro. Like
Yes.
that was like I think out of people that are dressed very well, they didn't stick to the theme.
Yeah.
But you dressed very well and you stuck to the theme, so it's like
Oh,
I
Pidung Kambe, what was the theme? Because maybe I don't remember.
the themes were patterns.
Oh,
Patterns.
okay. How mahal koi peti nje?
Yeah, but like well, I was saying from my perspective, you can judge that from
Yeah, I
you know
suppose.
from your perspective.
Ingakung fight disclaimer in the
Yeah, well,
beginning.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
And then Style by NK.
Yeah, that's my boy. Shout out to Starbuck NK. He's always bringing it out here. Um,
Wasn't
yo,
he in a Beyonce music video?
and Omarion as well.
You lie.
So
Oh my god.
like he's very dope. Like he's been at it. That's the thing. I
Mm.
like top. Like I think I'm gonna get myself one of those. It's very
It
nice.
looks like a nightgown.
That's the thing. It looks like pajama material, but
But
he
like
made it look so easy as well as
it's
make
like
it look
P
formal.
Diddy. There's a song where
Yeah,
P Diddy like walks
exactly.
out with
It's
his
silk. And you know what the
yes.
thing
No, it's
is? With
quite
that
lit. It's
outfit, he
quite
just
lit.
made us realize that, you know what? I'm at a point in my life where I'm really, really getting money. Because it takes a lot for a homie to wear silk out in public. So
Dude,
you need
and
to
that
know
okay, I'm
the
gonna like
homie doesn't really,
I'm gonna like be
doesn't
a
really give
fan
a
for a
damn
minute.
about what you
Those
have to say.
jaws,
Eh?
those jaws.
Well, I
Like
can't comment on these
yes,
shows.
you can.
What do you mean? Um,
Doesn't make you gay.
no, I'm not
Whatever.
saying that, but like, I mean, a nigga's jaws. I didn't even look at the picture like that. Now
Well, I have to look at everything.
I can't take it away. I can't unsee it.
Oh no,
Okay.
proverb.
Huh?
I just
Okay, you know what my argument is? For you were saying that the other guy, Mohali, ne,
yes.
he was looking nice. But Proverb killed one like he killed a blazer in a snake skin.
Yeah,
And then he
but
went to something else. Like
he
Mohali
just
had the
looks
whole
like he
outfit.
just looks like a taxi owner right now. Like I just don't like this outfit.
Yeah, I know, okay. I like modern
Maybe if he
I
didn't
think
wear the hat.
yeah. I think modernly he's not killing the game. But I
Yeah.
think if I had to go back to I think maybe he went for a theme that was like mid 90s or I don't know. Maybe he did, but like trying to make it look a bit more modern.
Yeah.
I'm not too sure, but probably you didn't. For me, you didn't do too bad. Hey,
I'm also just not a big fan of the colors, like browns and stuff. I don't like those colors.
yeah,
Kambe umfana wase wayefunda kwami lo mfana umaps.
I'm not too sure. Hey,
Wasn't it DHS or like no? Didn't he school in one of these like
yeah,
Durban
somewhere.
North schools?
Somewhere quite a
Away
lot
maps
there.
ma pom pom ma
Yeah,
ponyana.
yeah. I think Maps always kills it. That's the thing, But like, it's so simple, bruh. But do you see at the end of like his jacket and at the end of his pants, there's patterns. So he kind of stuck to the theme without sticking to the theme. And like obviously with him and his top hats, like
Yeah.
he it always suits him with his glasses. So I don't know, like who Maps is just Maps.
Yeah.
He's always been a fashion guru, so I think
From
he's
a non-fashion perspective, I just think he looks good in this outfit.
yeah
Like if we go back to like Casper's
yeah
one, he also played it very simple or maps,
yeah
but
of
like
course.
he just I don't know, I just
But
really
you,
like
you know
this
what the
one.
thing is about his outfit? It's one of those outfits that embraces the name of who you are and where you come from. So Maps did it so simple, but it's like okay, it's Maps.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we got Sean Stylist. Ongchazela kancane ukuthi whom this is. Whom's that you,
Who's that
Sean?
you? Sure, I didn't know that's also a kind of person that I've worked with a lot. He's very influential on social media. He's one of the top stylists in South Africa at the moment. Um, he always he always kills it. He's a very close friend or family friend of the designers.
Oh wait.
Yeah, so he's been a stylist for even before became a stylist. I used to
Yeah.
look up to this homie on Facebook. So
Angisheshe ngisho nje, I like his outfit. I dislike his
yeah,
shoes.
yeah. You don't like his shoes.
No. I
Okay.
don't like the shoes, but his outfit is beautiful.
His outfit is beautiful. He came with the patterns, and then underneath that, he came with the white, which obviously
Yes.
complements the patterns that he's wearing.
Yes.
And obviously, the beige is like
It's a beautiful
You
color. I
can't not
love this
you
color.
can't not love beige. I
Yo,
mean, come
it's I
on, like
love this
especially when
color.
you're gonna put it with whites. It's
Oh, it's
like
now yellow bone, so it
yabo
goes.
nje
Yeah,
bese yonke into yakhe yabo iyahamba iselana, but like as well like this background it just embraces. Can you see the like
yeah, with the flowers
the
and stuff.
flowers and everything? So
Yes.
I think he's very creative with what he does.
Oh wait, and then this man, I met him at the what do you call it? KZN Tourism. We
Yeah,
had a lunch just a couple days ago, and he was there. His name is Maya Tafo. I
yeah,
hope I'm saying it right.
yeah,
He's also a fashion designer,
yeah.
amongst many other things. And Befige no Bonang Mateba at this lunch. So, what do you think of his outfit?
I think personally I can just tell you that you can see he's a fashion designer. Like yeah, it's like
Yes, I love the
you can't
bag.
like everything of his is just says fashion, you know. It's just like he knows what he's doing. Like
Mm.
even if I had to, you know, put in my thing, my 2 cents, it would be like okay, cool. It's just what I feel. But like in his picture and everything that he did with this
He
picture,
looks like he came out of the Matrix. Like that's how
yeah,
cool he looks.
exactly. He looks very cool. And once you
Yes.
say designer, you can
Mm.
immediately see that within just looking at him and you're like, okay, cool. This guy knows what he's doing. I mean, he mixed the brown with
Yes.
the navy.
Oof.
Oh,
He looks
it's like all
amazing.
navy and then a brown bag. It's like, I mean,
You
really,
know,
you
if you
can't
can
go
do
wrong.
this, what else
Yeah,
can
no,
you
but
do?
I think
What else
I
can
think
he
it also goes
do?
for his like his height, his skin color, and yeah,
Yeah,
and
it
it's like
works.
his
Eh, it
Nigerian.
works.
Like it works for him.
Umoshendiki
Hey,
and his boyfriend. I think this is his boyfriend.
what what? I just have a question. Were they trying to match? I'm not understanding because
Sort of, sort. Damn, Singisi. Sort of, yeah. Um, phela
yeah.
ugqoke uphethini yena lo
Because
plain.
I think because now I can't judge one person and not judge the other because
Okay, then judge them. We're here to play fashion police. Judge them.
you guys in King I am face every time I look at this picture it looks like they were trying to match of which they didn't do a good job.
Why
Like
not?
eh?
They used green,
Yeah, but
and they
then
both wearing those
that's
under.
more like blue that this guy's
This
wearing.
okay. This is more like teal, I
Yeah,
think.
teal.
Yeah.
And like teal and green is just like you trying to get it the same color, but you couldn't get the matching outfit, and
Mm.
like now you had to settle for that color. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, bro? I'm not trying to be mean, but it looks
Maybe
like
if
it's just
they were
like
okay, if it was a separate picture,
yeah,
then
yeah. I think
which okay now let's separate.
yeah,
Let's separate. So
I
let's
definitely would go for what's his name?
Moshendik.
Yeah, the one that's on the left. Yes, yeah,
Moshendik,
I'd
yes.
definitely go for him.
I
He's
also like
it's
his one
very
more.
neat,
Yes,
you
I
know.
also like his one more.
Yeah, because of the shoes as well. It's like a different color.
Yes, the shoe
The
choice is
shoe choice
amazing.
is amazing. Yeah, yeah.
Some easy, some gaga. Oh my gosh, guys, I love this person.
Yeah, no. Somiz is a very nice person, guys. Like Somiz is a very nice, legit. Um, I just think he wears his outfit as some gaga, and he doesn't wear his outfit as anyone else. So, he's the only person that can pull it off. I think.
I think the same thing.
Yeah, that's the thing. You know, he's made his outfit some gaga, not that some gaga's wearing outfits.
Uh,
So, judging from a fashion point of view, obviously, my opinion would be a no. But obviously, because his personality has fits into his outfits, or he makes his outfits for his personality.
mm.
So I think you can't separate the two. But for me, it's just like cowboy boots. I don't know. Are they cowboy boots?
No,
No?
they're not. These are not cowboy.
Are the heels with a cowboy like print on it? No?
No, it's. I think it's. What do you call it?
They're a cow print.
No, it's like velvet. It's velvet.
Is it velvet?
These are velvet boots. Yeah, I,
Oh,
I
okay.
see. Where did it might be a cow print.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's a cow print.
No,
I'm
it
telling
isn't. It
you.
really is velvet.
Listen,
I
that's a
mean,
cow print. That's a cow print. I can tell you that. I can see that. That is
okay.
definitely. So what I'm saying is the cow print with the green. It says you can't mix three colors that are actually far from each other. It's
It's
white
actually
and
it's
brown.
actually floral. It's floral.
Is it?
It's floral.
Yeah,
It's
it
floral
looks very
velvet.
much like a
I
cow
actually
print.
like the two separate different things.
Then he shouldn't have sat on a green chair. Because then that defeats the whole purpose. Like if the chair was different,
The
maybe
chair is part of the
yeah,
outfit.
the chair is part of the outfit. That's what I'm saying. You can't separate because he went for a green that looks exactly like his outfit. Now,
Okay,
when
I
you look at
get
that
you.
picture, how do you separate the chair from his outfit? Like
Yeah.
it's very hard.
Away. And then we've got Leon Payne. I think he's like a I don't want to say he's
Ah,
an Instagram influencer because
yeah.
I'm sure he does much more than
He's no, he's
than
on
that.
fashion. He's in like fashion, and he works for what's this Durban Fashion Council.
Yes.
Old friend of mine. As I say, he always kills his outfits. He knows how to do his
I
hair
always see
and
him
his
like in
grooming.
different spots, and I'm a fan. I'm a fan. I love this outfit as well. This green. This is a better green compared to the Somizi green.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. And he knows his skin color, and he realizes what he
Yes.
can work with, and his grooming is always on point. I can never hate on Leon.
Okay, so 10 on Leon.
Yeah, woman.
Tula
Give him a nine
Sizwe,
actually.
Ula Sizwe.
Uh, is that a navy pants? That's a
Yeah, it
navy
looks
pants.
like it. It looks like it.
So my problem is, uh, I don't know what to say about let's see.
I actually no, I'm not gonna lie.
I think.
I wish what this pattern was used for a dress.
Thank you.
I
Like
wish this pattern
exactly
was
what I
used for a
was thinking
dress.
to myself. I like the patterns for a blazer. It's not. And plus, he wore like a wig. I feel like he should have wore a dress if he was gonna do that. Like it's very confusing because you're trying to see a male dominant figure because obviously it's in a suit, and now you see his hair, and it's just like two different things. If you understand what
Yeah.
I'm saying.
Oh, and also, what's going on with the eyebrow?
Amajita akuda amashiya anjalo. So that's what I'm saying. It's very confusing because he's doing a lot of things that are
Mm.
contradicting his whole outfit. Yeah, well, and yeah, I mean, I think your grooming goes well
He
with your outfit.
literally looks like someone's mom, though.
Yo, but I mean, like someone's
He
mom and
looks
dad.
like someone's mom.
I'm not being mean, but it looks like someone's mom and
Away. Then
dad.
we go to our mate, Alex
Oh shit, yeah, man.
King.
Yeah. Shout out to my younger brother, Alexander K World. If that's Instagram, he definitely killed it. You
Yeah,
know, I think he did.
love the
He killed
coat.
it. It's very tricky for a lot of guys to wear pink, especially if you're going to wear the whole suits. So if you can kill a pink in a suit, because pink is a deadly color. It's like not all guys can do it because there's a borderline of looking gay.
Mm.
For some niggas that are very masculine, and I don't have anything about like gay people, not at all. But I'm just saying it could look very wrong in terms of what you're trying to push or what you're trying to portray. You know. So
I think pink is a very like brave color. Like I feel
that's
like
what
pink
I'm
has
saying.
become a very unisex color as well.
Yeah,
Like
no, it has. But I mean, it's a whole suit.
in
That's a
fact,
different thing.
no,
If you
but
have
in
one item and a whole suit in pink, and that's light pink,
there's
you know,
nothing wrong with
there's
that.
nothing wrong with that. But like what I'm saying is, if you a masculine figure,
Uh
you know, it would be a problem if someone came up to you and gave you the wrong idea. To understand what I'm saying? But he could kill it off with looking masculine, and then he did the codes over that, which
uh
is yeah, that's a different color of pink.
I don't know.
So
I all I'm saying
he killed
I'm a fan of this
he killed
and
two types of pink
uh
in one
yeah,
outfit.
that's true. That's true.
That's just like okay, cool. I
I
see
think
you,
a
home
man
dog.
in pink looks sexy. Moving on to
Yeah,
Zulu Makatini Nayo Koge, similar color, but
yeah,
it's more maroony.
uh, yeah.
It's like a darker pink,
I
the
feel like
bright
he was
one.
very safe with his outfit.
You
Very
think he
safe,
was?
very safe. I think he just didn't wanna. He just wanna win anything. Like he looks very safe. Like he was just
I
like,
feel like he
I'm not
literally
gonna.
pulled out his church outfit. I
Yeah,
don't like
that's what I'm
the
saying.
color is amazing,
Yeah,
but the I don't know, just the look of it just makes me feel like ukipi sodium so yes it
excuse
doesn't
me.
look like something he prepared or planned, yabo, or like why we design. I think that's a stolo le.
That's what I'm
And I
saying
mean
too.
it's the July.
Sorry, that's what I'm saying. That he played it very, very safe. It's
Yeah.
something that was like probably in his cupboard or something that
Yeah.
he's had before. So I think that's why I'm saying he played it very safe, and there's not much creativity in that. I mean, I think he literally didn't buy the outfit. So
Yeah. Hey, let's go to the woman. Let's go to the woman. Jessica Nkosi. I love, love, love her outfit. I think it's gorgeous. She's gorgeous. And she just had a baby. She's like, she looks
yeah, and she's
fucking
killing it. Hey,
amazing.
she's killing it. I
She's
love I
fucking
love I
gorgeous.
love the fact that she could show some skin after having the baby, because some ladies obviously become very conscious of their body after they've had a child.
No, she
But
looks
she really
fucking
kills an
beautiful.
outfit that
Flawless, in fact.
flawless, and she stuck to the theme, which is like, you know,
Yeah,
a
no, she
bonus.
killed it. The outfits, everything, she's amazing. U-DJ Tira no umuntu wakhe lo?
Yeah,
Is
sorry.
this his wife or
Yeah,
what? His
that's
woman?
his wife, Cuckoo.
Yeah. What do you think of the well, both of them? I feel like first of all, Tira tried to copy Usa's style.
Yeah. Yeah, he went with the trend now, but I don't think the trend now worked for him. I'm not. This is my opinion. I think he's literally, because like I think most blazers nowadays, and the trend, it's not literally having buttons on it, but you have a belt around it that goes around it, and you can tie it. So I think he tried to go for like what's modern now, but like what's modern now is not for exactly a man. Yeah, boy. Um, guys, this is a hard one. Um, no disrespect, but like I ingubo yakhe, it's not appealing at all. You know,
You don't like it.
especially yeah, from my side, especially because yeah, it shows her couplings underneath her dress. You
Oh,
understand what I'm
okay,
saying?
yeah, I
So
see
it's,
what you're talking about.
especially if you're someone's wife, it's never a
Hectic. She doesn't have
thing.
to be someone's wife.
No, but I'm
Just
just
in general,
saying.
just
I'm
in
just saying.
general, for a
At events
coupling to
like that.
show during the outfit
Yeah.
is
Okay.
like not
Yeah.
acceptable.
Okay.
KO.
Okay. Oh.
Is this not the same color that Leon used? It's not the same green.
No, I think the green that Leon uses on his head, like there. Yeah. I think he went
Oh,
for, yeah.
okay. Okay, yeah, you're
Yeah.
right, you're right.
KO. Really nice, sweet brother.
I feel
Mixed
like
with the white.
he almost looked like a sailor.
Yeah.
If he added another row of buttons, he
Yeah.
would have like I
Yeah.
don't like this double
Yeah.
button thing, man. I really dislike it.
Yeah, no, but it's personally I like it. It's just I don't know. It's from back in the days, and it makes you very very elegant. Because like the big bosses back in the days used to wear the double
Yeah,
breasted
but like also
blazers.
has he like gone chubs a bit? Like there's nothing wrong with going chubs.
Yeah.
Like
But there's nothing
because
wrong with going chubs, but you
I'm
can't
seeing
wear.
some nips here.
Yeah.
Seeing some nipple action. Linda Mdoba, do you know her? She
um.
acts on
Oh yeah
Inspire.
yeah
She
yeah yeah
acted on Inspire.
yeah yeah
And
yeah.
she's pregnant. I'm so excited. I don't know
Yeah.
why, but I'm so excited for her.
Yeah, just for me, it looks like a mother's outfit. She went really well with the
Yeah, it's
mother theme.
gorgeous.
Yeah,
It's also
it's
like
motherly theme,
it's
you
a
know.
great like coming out pregnant
Yeah, that's what
outfit.
I'm saying. It's a motherly theme. She just gave it
Mm.
that, okay, respect.
Yeah, no,
There's a
she
mother
like
coming through type of vibe, you know.
she's gorgeous.
Yeah, no, she is.
Hope Mbele, yes, girl.
She did
I
two outfits, no?
Yeah, she did two outfits.
Uh,
I like her hairstyle for the pink outfit, the big
mm,
dress.
yeah. I think the first outfit looks very gorgeous on her.
The pink
Yeah,
dress
the
one.
pink dress one. Sorry.
Yeah.
That garment is amazing. Is that seashells on the top? Or what is
It's
it?
flowers.
It's
It's
flowers.
flowers.
Okay,
Yeah.
flowers. I think it looks gorgeous on
Yeah, no,
her.
she looks gorgeous in this one.
Yeah,
She looks gorgeous in
and
this
like her
one.
hairstyle suits. She going for like a princess look, like
Yeah.
a very innocent like princess look. And then the second outfit, she just like totally deferred, which means like her character went the total opposite way. So, I don't think at events like that you really confuse people. I think you should keep if you're having one or two or three like outfits. I think it should go up, but like in the same trend or on the same road,
So
not.
you feel like she went downwards after the
No.
first
I feel
outfit?
like she just totally switched her look and gets hard because I really appreciate the first outfit. Now
Mm.
it's hard for me to speak on the second because she showed me a total different idea,
Yeah.
and from
I
That
think
compared to the
like
first one, I would say the second one is a no-no.
I really like the first one.
Yeah,
The second one, I love the back. The back is very like
yeah,
the front. I'm not too sure. Hey,
yeah,
like it's dope, but it's too safe. Like it's
yeah,
too silent. But I
yeah,
get then when you turn around and it's like boom
yeah,
bam. You know, I get it.
yeah.
I get it. Um, Bonang Mateba, really love it. She
Oh,
looks like a glass of champagne.
oh my goodness. Dude, Bonang just keeps on killing and killing
Too
and killing and
much, too
killing and killing.
much.
Like her dress is so effortless there. And she literally does look like the House of BNG. So like she really made her outfit work for herself
Mm.
and her body obviously she's got a very
She's
nice
like the
body.
sunset.
Exactly. Like her dress is like a sunset and she's
Yeah,
light skinned. Like everything in her outfit works for her. And I think she knows what she's doing. She's been doing this for a long time.
yeah.
She just looks effortless.
Hey, Kangimbao.
Ah, mfethu, it's a tricky one. Ah, hey, mfethu, um,
I feel like this look has been done.
so many times,
Yeah, this look has been
so
done.
many times. I can literally, with me looking at her, I'm thinking of Cardi B because Cardi B did this like 4 years ago. Yeah,
Yeah,
and then
this look has
she's
been done. I
it's
don't
been
even want to
done
talk about
so
it.
many times, bruh.
Yeah,
Like it's just it's overdone. I can't
yeah.
appreciate
Asian
it.
Boyti.
Yeah,
Boyti, I like this outfit.
no point.
I like.
No, no, she kills it. And you know what the thing is, I respect about Poetry. She knows it's important, guys. It's important for you to know your skin color so you can know which colors go for you. Poetry always does the rounds in terms of her skin color. She never goes too bright because she understands that her skin color is of a certain type, and I
uh
think purple goes for her. With the feathers, really makes it look feminine. Yeah, man, she went for a boss, princess or queen type of look.
yeah. And then lastly, we have to talk about her
Oh,
outfits. Uzodwa Wabantu.
isn't she getting married or something?
I don't know what's happening in her
Did she get
life.
divorced before she got married?
I don't know what's
Because
happening
apparently
with
she
her
divorced
life.
her Benson. Yo, my guy, like at an event like this, I understand. Wait, what did she get famous for? First of all, I just want to ask that.
I don't know anything
What do you mean you
about
don't know
her
anything?
life.
What did she
Okay,
get famous for? Wasn't she famous for taking off her panties?
yeah, you know
Is
what?
that what it
I'm
is?
just gonna say, like, you know what? Woman pushing woman and all this thing aside, I could,
Yeah.
like, no, I'm not a fan of this
No, but
outfit.
I think yeah.
I'm not a fan of this outfit, straight up.
You know what she did to herself? It's I'm glad you wore panties this time, but I mean, uh, you know what she's pushing to herself? It's the stereotype of what women try and claim back for men is that we don't look trashy, and you should never rape a woman because of what she's dressed in. But she's going the total opposite way, and she's pushing that boundary in terms of that. I
I
think it's for
get like,
attention.
and that's dope. That's cool. But me personally, I'm just talking from the
Yeah,
outfit
no, I
perspective. Like,
know.
if I saw this hanging, like, Mr. Price, no me gape right now, I
Yeah,
wouldn't pick it and wear
yeah,
it, and
yeah.
or even try it
No,
on.
but
Like,
like
I'm cool.
what I'm saying is what I don't respect about the outfit is that there's there's you know this whole rape thing of um even if I'm dressed in a certain way, it doesn't mean I deserve to be raped.
Yeah.
Like she's pushing a boundary to whereby she's going further than just a crop top or whatever. That's just for me. It's not
Basically,
respectable.
uphume
Yeah,
endlini.
bon,
Yeah, I
nje.
get you.
So
And she still doesn't. Yeah, I get you. I
I
get
ain't
you.
gonna
1,000.
no.
It's cool. It's all
Yeah,
right.
yeah,
So enough of that.
yeah,
Let's play another game. Let's
yeah.
play another game.
Was good.
So I'm gonna ask you a couple of questions,
Yeah,
Jay,
yeah.
and I just want to test your
Activities.
knowledge. I'm very
I
scared.
let's get this work.
Ngiyasaba ukuthi ngizokuhlaza la phambi kwabantu.
Yeah, hey, no, my confidence is on another level.
Oh wait.
Yeah,
All right.
let's get
Okay.
it.
So Jay, riddle me this. Are
Yeah.
you smart?
Am I smart?
Are you
I
smart?
like to think so.
What makes you smart, Jay?
What makes me smart
Mm.
is the fact that I can think of ideas way further than what the norm is thinking about.
Oh wait. Spell
Yeah.
it.
What?
Spell it.
Spell what?
Spell it.
IT.
Oh, hey, look
Yeah.
at you.
Yeah.
Away,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Second question.
Yeah.
If a plane crashed on the border of
Yeah.
South Africa and Zimbabwe,
Yeah.
where would they bury the survivors?
Where would they bury the survivors?
Mm.
I would say half in Zimbabwe and half in South Africa.
One more time.
Yeah.
One more time. Say your answer one more time.
I'm gonna say my answer one more time.
Yes.
Wait, can you ask me the
Nah.
question again? I feel like you're tricking me.
Nah,
You're tricking me.
Jay, I can't
Okay.
ask you.
If a plane crashed on the
Yes.
border of Zimbabwe and South Africa,
yes.
where would they bury the passengers?
Yes.
On both sides, South Africa and Zimbabwe.
First of all, I said, where would you bury the survivors? You don't bury survivors.
Oh, I've been played. Wow, I've been played. Okay.
So, Jay,
Yeah.
some months have 30 days.
Yeah.
Some months have 31 days.
Mm-hmm.
How many have 28?
1
Which one's that?
February.
Don't
So-
you think
on
all
some-
of them have 28 days?
What do you mean? Wait. Wait. Oh my gosh, this is such a mind fuck. Wait, what do you?
Don't
what?
they have to go past 28 to get to 30 and 31?
And I thought I knew the shit. I had it by the hand, but I lost it.
So, what does TELLY spell?
TELLY. Telly.
What does KELLY spell?
Kenny.
So, what does JULY spell?
Jolly. Wait, what? What? JULY. Oh shit! Damn.
What does it spell, Jay?
I'm supposed to lie. Okay, wow. I've been played so bad, guys. But I mean, understanding. I think if you're in the same situation,
You know what?
it's supposed. Oh my gosh.
Okay, and then
This what? Wow.
since are you a South African citizen, Jay?
Sometimes.
Are you born and raised here?
That's a mind fuck. Wait.
I'm literally
I'm a
asking
South
you a
African.
question.
Yes.
Okay, so
I
what
was
does
born-
SARS stand for?
So, South African Revenue Service.
Look at you. Do you pay your taxes?
Yeah. Yes. when I have the money to.
Away. Okay. And then my last question for
Yeah.
you. If it takes 5 minutes to boil one egg,
Mm.
how many minutes does it take to boil half a dozen eggs?
If it takes a minute to boil one egg.
It takes 5 minutes to
Yeah.
boil one egg.
Or
How many minutes does it take to boil half a dozen eggs?
half a dozen eggs. About 30 minutes. Well, half a dozen is 6, right?
Yeah.
So you times 5 by 6. You said it takes 5 minutes to boil one egg.
It's 5 minutes, bro.
Wait. No, bro. Wait, can you repeat that, please? Just for the sake of my well-being.
If it takes 5 minutes
Yeah,
to boil one egg,
Exactly. 5 minutes to boil one egg. And then what do you say after that?
how many minutes does it take to boil half a dozen eggs?
Wait, a dozen. What the fuck is a dozen? Says it's 6.
Dozen is 6.
So what am I saying?
They're all getting boiled at the same time.
No, you didn't say that. I feel like you should have said that.
No, you don't have to say that.
Because the thing is, you messed with my mind because I'm still thinking about the one.
That's the
So,
whole
how-
point.
How many pots do you have to boil? Huh? Wait,
Jay.
are you playing with me? Are you putting all these eggs in one pot?
Yes.
Oh, okay, cool. Okay. Wow. Guys, I have been fooled. But like I got 2 out of 3, no?
No,
I mean
you
2 out
didn't
of
get-
5.
You did. You only
I got the first one.
You only
and
got the
SARS.
first O and SARS. Oh,
Yes, I
look at
got
you.
2 out of How
Two
many?
out of five.
Ah,
Yeah.
no, not so bad.
Well done. Well
Ah, it's
done.
tricky, tricky.
So Jay, I'm
Yeah.
I'm gonna end the show
Yep.
now. It's the
Yeah.
ending. It's
Yeah.
the end, guys.
It's
Party
the
time.
end.
Party time's gotta go. Jay
Party.
Imag, before siqede,
Yeah.
abafuna style aware now
Yeah.
or who wanna reach out to you, where
Yeah.
can they find you on the social platforms?
Okay, on the social platforms on Instagram, J Styles underscore 16. Um and basically Instagram is my main source of customers and clients.
Mm.
Um and you can contact me on live events underscore DBN. Yeah, but other than that I don't have Facebook and Twitter.
Why? Why?
Huh?
What kicked you out?
What do you mean one kick me out?
Ay, phela abantu
No, for
baphuma
skipping the
basuka
meaning.
eh? Ah,
No, no,
no,
no, I'm
just
joking, I'm
asking.
joking. I kind of got to a point whereby all social media platforms were doing the same thing. But I feel like Instagram came out with some of the things like stories and all that, and then
Yeah.
Facebook started getting the same thing. And now, like, it doesn't fit. You're watching stories on Facebook, you're watching stories on Instagram. It's probably of the same person. So
Yeah.
I feel like one social media platform for me, and obviously Instagram at the moment is the biggest one.
Yeah.
And for me, I'm a visual artist, so people need to see my visuals. So I think Instagram is perfect for me. I'm not really writing anything, so Facebook is not really a thing, or Twitter.
But don't you just go there for the memes? I mean, that's what I do.
No, I go to Instagram for memes. I just deal with
Oh
Instagram,
my
girl. Like
gosh.
Instagram has memes as well,
But you
you
don't
know.
get those funny threads, those funny Twitter threads on
Yeah, you know where I
Instagram.
find them? I find them
Where?
on my
Oh my
WhatsApp
god.
stories.
All right, all
Yeah,
right. Oh,
yeah,
Chana, how'd you get the name Styles? What was happening? Well, obviously you're a
yeah,
fashion
yeah,
stylist, but
yeah.
that
Um,
process of finding a name.
um, I I think obviously my name's always been Jay, but as soon as I started proclaiming and obviously taking on the name of being a stylist, my friends and people around me just started calling me because obviously stylist style.
Mm.
So people were like, "Oh, styles," type of thing. So as soon as even before like I got to do big gigs, I was just like, "I'm a stylist," or whatever. And every time I introduce myself to someone, I'm like, "I'm Jay. I'm a stylist." And then
Mm.
my friends kind of got onto that, and one of my friends was just like, "Ah, styles." And I was like, okay, cool. I don't like that, but like I like it as well. So I think all my friends started calling me Styles. So yeah, I mean, I mixed that together, and I was like J Styles.
Away,
Yeah,
away. And then, all right, Jay. Thank you very much.
yeah,
Siabonga.
yeah. Thank you
That's
for
it
having
from
me. By the
me.
way,
That's it from me, ladies and
yes,
gentlemen.
yeah,
Nazi nanuthi phathi meli phele phela. Yabo
of
ngesikwazi lokhu
course.
sihleli la. Jay, it's been real.
Yeah, it's
Thank you
been
so
real.
much for coming through.
Thank you for having me on your first show, man. And shout out. That's a big major thing. Once you're up
Bruh.
things, or shows, I was on the first one.
Oh my
The first
god. So
one.
basi phezulu soba uthu nje
Ah,
mpintshi yami.
that's all. Thank you so much, man.
Oh, wait. Don't forget to follow Deeply Rooted Durban on Instagram, Facebook, and please, guys, subscribe, like, and click that alert button on button on your YouTube channel. On Deeply Rooted DBN. Make sure to catch the show on demand on Apple Music, Spotify, and YouTube. Also, you can find me on IG_Shini Bengu_. It's party time. Gotta love and leave you. Love and light. Bye.
Hi, it's about that time. It's party time from the Cultured Swine on radiodr.co.za. Hi.
Okay, sure. RadioDR.co.za.